What's happening, everyone? Thanks for joining me for this virtual ANC cooking demonstration. Hope everyone's doing well. I am Jet Tila with Schwann's Food Service, and I'm here to show you a quick and easy Asian menu idea. In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to make our dumpling stir fry. It's a very easy dish that'll satisfy your students' craving for restaurant quality food and increase your cafeteria participation. The recipe that we're doing is enough to serve 50. I'm going to show you 1/3 of that recipe for demonstration's sake. So for every 1 1/3 cup serving, you're gonna get 2 meat or meat alternative credits, 2 grain, and 3/4 cups of vegetables. So for this recipe, you're gonna need Chef One whole wheat chicken dumplings, Min less sodium Szechuan sauce, Min less sodium teriyaki sauce, a frozen Asian medley of vegetables, and just some water. So first thing you want to do is make sure that your Min less sodium Szechuan sauce and your Min less sodium teriyaki sauce are both thawed according to package instructions, and let's set your oven to 350 degrees. And then next, make sure you have your Chef One whole wheat chicken dumplings. This is gonna be the main star of the show, and they're filled with chicken and green onions. They're also pre-steamed, so they're very easy to use. But we're gonna start by hitting this pan with some pan spray. Oh, look at that new shiny 200 pan. Next, we're gonna add our chicken dumplings right into the pan. We'll spread that out nice and evenly. So in a separate container, we're gonna mix both of our sauces. First, the Szechuan sauce. And a reminder, I'm only making a smaller batch here. You're gonna be using both full bags. And then the teriyaki sauce. I love these two sauces. Actually, I love the entire line, but these two really give you a nice balance of flavor of hot, sour, salty, sweet for this recipe. And these are also newly formulated to have 0 caramel color and 0 sodium benzoate. Once the sauces are in, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to thin it out. So this sauce mixture is ready to go. And then I'm gonna bring the pan back and add my frozen vegetables at this point. And this can be any medley that you choose. They have Asian medleys out there, but they don't have to be. I'm gonna pour the sauce over. Make sure it's coated. Once everything is stirred together nice and evenly and leveled out, we're gonna take some aluminum foil, cover this tightly, and it's gonna go into the oven for the first bake, which is 20 minutes. So I've taken the stir fry out after 20 minutes. I just want to give it a check to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. I'm going to open it up, give it a nice stir, make sure everything's distributed and it's heating up nice and evenly. That looks great. It's making me very hungry. So this is going to go back in for 40 more minutes. All right, so after the second bake of 40 minutes, I want to make sure that we are at temperature. Be careful, this is hot. Oh yeah, that is what I am talking about right there. So we're gonna give this a stir to make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom. And I just wanna make sure we are food safe here. So let's take an internal temperature of a dumpling to make sure we've hit 165. Oh yeah, we are well above 165. That's what a restaurant quality dumpling stir fry looks like right out of the oven. So as we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic is really challenging schools of all sizes all across America. It's really has tasked us as food service providers to find new and creative ways to serve our students outside our cafeterias. Here's one really easy way to do a remote service. Take an 8-ounce container and serve 1 1/3 cups of this dumpling stir fry And this would be perfect for either a hot meal remotely or cold, so a student can take it and heat it him or herself at home. And there you have it, a dumpling stir fry in a neat, very convenient to-go container. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, please contact your Schwan's Food Service representative for more info. And until next time, it's Chef Tila signing off.